Hi, today we are reviewing the BenQ Wit. It is the world's first smart LED lamp for e-reading. Inside the box you will find one lamp base, one wall adapter and one user manual. Installation is very simple, just place the lamp upright and push the tip into the lamp base. The lamp is very bright and it covers 90 centimeters when lit up. It has a smart sensor within it and tunes the right brightness of light according to your surrounding. It uses a touch sensor ring to turn on and off, making the device more elegant. You can adjust the color tone from warmer tone to cooler tone using the switch. It uses a patented technology to make electronic reading more soothing with anti-glare properties. Setting the trend for future lamp makers. If you wish to purchase it, you can check out the link in the description.